Good morning, Ashwin, Sharmila, Ashish, Darshini, Vishal. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, beta. Send the link in the group, beta, fast. Getting late, Amma. Tell them to join as fast as possible. Vishal, good morning. Good morning, Vishal. Good morning, Rahul. Shrutika, Avinash, good morning. Ekta, good morning. Good morning, beta. Send the link in the group. After that, physics class be there and biology class will be there. Back to back 3 classes today. So we have to be a bit fast today. I'll be explaining today many concepts, beta. So you have to be very careful. Be attentive today. Yeah, Shrutika is on a hat trick. So first I'm going to give Shrutika's question and then we will start, beta. Now what is happening? This is not adjusting nicely. Jolly, back to class. Hi, Ashwin. Fine. So let's start the class. Ready? Okay. I was wanting everyone to join as fast as possible so that I can give tiebreaker. Hat-trick on a hat-trick question was there. Yes, Kanishka also hat-trick for third. Darshini race. Yes. Today we will have marathon, beta. Today we will have marathon and we will be running marathon. And the person who is going to come last is Khushbu auntie. Okay, fine. Because I was wanting everyone to join and see. In the group, send the message. Auntie is shouting. She is boiling. She is bursting like a cracker. Join as fast as possible. Fine, beta. Now, first, lines and angles. Some very important questions are there which we must. Now, look here. How to solve these type of questions. And first, look here. First question for today. Shrutika is on a hat trick. Shruti, all the best, beta. Three y x plus 15 degree. You have to find x and y and your time starts now. Remember, it is on a hat trick question. Kanishka, good morning, beta. Good morning. Darshani, no chocolates today. Ashish, solve this question, beta. Try to solve this question, Ashish. The question given here is, look here, beta. Here A is there, B is there. Okay? Here C is there, here D is there. You just mark it as point and you have to solve it, beta. I'll explain this question, okay? I'll explain it nicely. No, don't worry. I'll explain the question very nicely. Everyone just see the question first. Okay, Vishal has given x is equal to 10, y is equal to 25 as answer. Let's see, Shrutika. She is telling x is 60, y is 25. Fine, let's see. Ashwin, x 60, y 25. Kanishka, what a nice arrangement today. Fine. Kanishka, if they are correct, you will be getting rank. Now look here, beta. Just understand this question, what they are asking in this question. They're telling you to find the value of x and y. Now how to get the value of x and y? Now what and all contents are given here? First you have to check that one beta. Now look here, a hat trick gone? No, let's check hat trick gone or not, that time will decide beta. Now most important thing here is what is given here. So whenever some question is given, first we will write the given section. Ashish, are you there in the group? Now look here beta. What you have to prove here is AB is parallel to CD. Now definitely beta, AB is parallel to CD and EF acts as transversal and EF acts as transversal. EF acts as transversal. Okay, so AB is parallel to CD and EX. Okay, Ashish, wherever you will not understand beta, ask. Okay, keep on asking wherever you will not understand. Now look here beta, what is given that this line and this line is parallel and this line is exactly intersecting it. So when this line and this line is parallel and this line is intersecting, that means beta this line is called as transversal line. What this line is called as transversal, and EF acts as transversal. So first work what we have done, we have written this information that exactly the lines are parallel and this one is acting as transversal. Now beta, if it is transversal, then we know that this will be equal to this. First work we will say that you name it as something like x and y, because you have to make this angle, this part of the angle, you are going to say that auntie, this angle will be equal to this angle. Why these two angle will be equal? This two opposite angle will be equal because you know beta, this is alternate interior angle. Z formation, always remember beta, this angle will be equal to this angle. This is exactly called as alternate interior angle. So here also in these two lines, what is given to you? It is exactly given that this angle and this angle is there. You have got that these two lines are parallel, and this is acting as transversal. That means 100% beta, this angle will be equal to this angle by alternate interior angle, and this is what I am going to write. I am going to write here like angle AXY equal to angle XYD. Why? Because of alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle beta, it is due to alternate interior angles. Okay, so due to alternate interior angle, this angle will be equal to this angle. Now beta, what is the value of angle AXY? Angle AXY is given as 3y, and here beta what is given? 2y plus 25, 2y plus 25 degree. Okay, so now beta shift this y, 2y this side, it will become 3y minus 2y. The moment 2y will go this side, it will become minus, and that is 25 degree beta. So now that means y, 3y minus 2y is y is equal to 25 degree. So we got y angle beta. Once we got y angle beta, now we have to find x. Now we know that beta, this line and this line is intersecting each other. So now we will check for only this line CD and then beta this line EF. F. So here F beta and this is E. Now definitely beta, these two are intersecting each other. So when they will be intersecting by vertically opposite angle, this angle will be equal to this angle beta. Now this angle will be equal to this angle by what property? You will say auntie, it will be by vertically opposite angle. This will be what property beta? By interior angles. Okay beta, you can say like that, AXD is XYD, that is alternate interior angle. Absolutely correct Ashish. Now look here, Shrutika, you got the answer beta. I'm just very scared. The more I'm going very near to the question, the more my scare is, means I'm feeling like that. Now we will write this point that CD intersect, CD is intersected by EF at y. So CD is intersected. CD is intersected by EF at what point? At y. So this is what I wrote. CD is intersected by EF. CD is intersected by who? Which line? EF. At point beta? At point y. So now we have written CD is intersected by EF at y. Now that means what beta? By alternate interior, by vertically opposite angle CYF. So angle CYF will be equal to angle EYD. E by D, and what you will say? You will say this is by vertically opposite angle. By what angle beta? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. By what angles beta? Vertically opposite angle. Now beta here, now you have to just write what is present there. Okay, so now what is present here? 2y plus 25, 2y plus 25 degree equal to x plus 15 degree. Now let's see beta, y value came 25. So 2 into 25 plus 25 degree equal to x plus 15 degree. So now this one will become 50 plus 25 degree minus 15 degree, because beta this 15 degree will shift this side, so it will become minus 15 degree. So here, seriously, now it is coming 575 minus 15 equal to x. So definitely 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 1 60 degree. So x is exactly 60 degree and y is 25 degree. The person who will be writing it correct first will be getting first rank. Very good. Ashwin, corresponding angles, that too also you can take beta. Very good. Vertically opposite angle, absolutely correct dear. Shrutika rocked in. Ashwin and Kritika. Kanishka has got third rank. Ashwin, did you got any rank dear? Second rank did you got? So now for Shrutika, screen belongs to Shrutika now. Shrutika get hat trick. Shrutika, excellent piece of work beta. Very good. Super. God bless you beta. Excellent. Okay. So Shrutika got hat trick in first rank. And after that Kanishka got hat-trick in second rank or third rank. Kanishka got hat-trick in third rank. So Kanishka, she is doing so much hard work. This girl. God bless you beta. Both of you. Very good. Super. Fabulous piece of work beta. This is by 6th hat-trick. Very good beta. Very good. Super. You can do it. I am 4th. Darshini, very good. God bless you. So Darshini is 4th. Darshini, next time I will count for 4th also beta. And Darshini, next time I am going to give you. I am continuing my second rank. So are you on a hat-trick or you have done hat-trick also? Tell me beta. You got hat-trick? This is what? This is what? Okay. Well done beta. Well done. And this is exactly one very important thing, that this is exactly one thing that is very, very important, and that is when you will do hard work beta, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible in your hand. Your strong determination, your willpower will only let you win beta. So now let's solve, let's go to triangles and its angles. Now we are going to understand triangles and its angles. Now this chapter is very, very important, triangles and its angles. So one by one we are going to understand different type of triangles today. Now one by one I will explain everything beta. You have to Ashish, other time ma'am I always try 100% Ashish. Now look here beta, only one thing is there in life, and that is, as a student, never study for others, study for yourself, your success, and always feel like one thing beta, that you have to prove yourself. You have to prove that you exist, and you exist not others, you exist in the best way, and that will always let you keep trying. Okay, and this is the best thing beta. Everyone, I'm telling to everyone. My another chapter, yes beta, next chapter Vishal. And but Vishal, just send a message in the group that auntie is very angry, she has started a new chapter. Just send this message, this much Vishal. I just want you to send this message that auntie is very angry and she has started a new chapter. Only this part I want you to just say them. So today auntie is boiling, she is bursting. NCRT same chapter beta, but R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, it is different chapter. Okay, so ready everyone? So we know some important point about triangle. So today first we will understand from the beginning triangle beta. So if you have missed any part in the childhood days about all the properties of triangle, so we will again going to recall it. Okay, some very important point also we are going to recall in triangle. One last minute I am going to wait for them. Yes beta, congruency criteria, CPCT, yes. Fine, so let's start the chapter. I'm not going to wait for them now. Now listen to me beta. Triangles means what? How many points are needed to draw a triangle? How many points you need in a plane to draw a triangle? Quickly say the answers. Fine, I'm asking some questions. Let's see who can pass this rapid fire round. Everyone, you just have to type how many points are needed to draw a triangle. Hey, awesome, super. Keshav, okay. Everyone is absolutely Keshav, Ashwin, Ekta, Kanishka, Ashish, Merunisha, Darshini, Sharmila. Everyone absolutely correct. 33 है Darshini. Vishal 3. Shrutika, no beta. Not it's 3 only beta. It's 3 only. By mistake, I think you might have typed. It is exactly 3 beta. Krisha absolutely 3 beta. Yes. So that means if we are using 3 points, we can draw a triangle. So now what these 3 points are called as? What these 3 points are called as beta? So the 3 points which is needed to draw a triangle will be exactly called as vertices. What these points are called as beta? These points A, B and C, this is exactly called as vertices beta. What these are? These are vertices. Vertices. How many vertices are there in a triangle? There will be 3 vertices. How many vertices are there in a triangle? There will be 3 vertices. You see here A, B, C. So 3 vertices are there. Okay, vertex, what you say, the plural of this is exactly vertices. So 3 vertices A, B and C is there. Okay, definitely a triangle will be having 3 sides beta. How many sides? A, B, AC and BC. So 3 sides are there beta, AB, AC and BC. AB, AC and BC. They definitely beta 3 sides are there, AB, AC and AB, BC and AC. And now beta these are 3 internal angles. These are what? Internal angles. So this is angle, 3 angles are there. Okay, so a triangle is having 3 internal angles, okay, internal angles. Again I am saying 3 internal angles, it is have 3 sides and then beta 3 vertices. So this much is the easiest. Children, we have studied this in when we were very small. That time itself we have understood. Now beta we will be going for types of triangles. Types of triangles. How many types of triangles are possible? How many types of triangles are possible? Can anybody tell me types of triangles? Ashish absolutely correct. Shrutika absolutely correct. Now can you tell me 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices? Absolutely correct Kanishka. Now beta shall we discuss about different type of triangles? Now you have to do one thing. Type how many triangles you remember till now. How many triangles are there? Just talk about this. Now it's your field now. Think about it, then we will discuss about that type of triangles first. Okay, ready children? Now type as fast as possible what you feel about types of triangles beta, because how much your brain will function now, how much you will think, that much you will learn. Okay, so think about different type of triangles. Only 3 different type of triangles are there. Okay, that are the criterias dear. Then when you are making congruency, that are criterias: equilateral, isosceles, scalene. Only this 3 type of triangle. 3 type of triangle is basic of angles. Very good Ashish, Darshini, 3 type of triangles. That means I must teach you some very important triangles. You have missed many different type of triangles, you know. You are still missing some different type of triangles. Can you recall some? Apart from isosceles, equilateral triangle or scalene triangle, can you recall any other triangle? Absolutely correct, Vishal. It is right angle triangle, right angled isosceles triangle. Okay, fine. One right angled isosceles triangle you are saying. Fine. Other quickly say other triangle. Okay, Ashish, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle. Bang on, bingo. Very good, beta. That is the different type of triangles. Very good, beta. That is what. So exactly, it's not only three type of triangle. We have only one conception that three types of triangle are there. That is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. No, beta. Apart from that, acute angle triangle is there. Obtuse angle triangle is there. So these two are there. Right angle triangle is there, and then right angled isosceles triangle is also there. So that means these many types of triangles are there, and one by one, absolutely correct, Ashish, Shruti, Keshav, what happened? What you deleted? Obtuse angle triangle, Ekta, equilateral isosceles, scalene triangle, beta, scalene triangle, SCALENE, scalene triangle, and then acute angle triangle. Okay, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Very good. Hypotenuse triangle. Right, scalene. Darshani, 7 type of triangles. So I think you have explored everything. I think my children have explored each and every section of the world, and now they told me the answer. Very good, super. Now let's start. Let's start the game, beta. Let's start and learn different type of triangles. So type of triangles. Now beta, each type of triangle, types of triangles, each type of triangles, now beta, they have a specific feature. To go for congruency, it is very important to know the type of triangle. I am again repeating my word, to go for congruency, because beta, in this chapter you are going to study congruency. Congruency part is very important to learn, and if you want to know congruency of triangle, better we must know first what is the type of triangles first. Okay, so now we will be discussing different type of triangles first. So first type of triangle what we are going to take is equilateral triangle. This type of triangle is called as equilateral triangle. Who disliked? What happened? Hypotenuse triangle. What is hypotenuse triangle, beta? So equilateral triangle. When we talk about equilateral triangle, can anybody equilateral triangle? When we talk about equilateral triangle, let it be. Don't focus in those things. Don't focus in those things. First, focus in studies only. Only focus in study point of view, beta. Just focus there what you have to study. Don't focus in all those things. Just go in that. Equilateral triangle. So when we talk about equilateral triangle, beta, in equilateral triangle, the sides will be equal. Sides equal. Means what, beta? It will have all the three sides equal and angles equal. Sides equal and angles equal. Sides equal and angle equal. Okay, fine. So what? Yes, beta, absolutely correct, Ashish. So exactly all the three sides, all angles will be equal, all sides will be equal. So all sides and angles will be equal. That type of triangle will be called as, beta, equilateral triangle. Okay. Now next type of triangle, what type of triangle? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now beta, isosceles triangle is still divided into two types. One type of isosceles triangle will be like this. So I am just trying to create space and I am going to teach this part. Now in isosceles triangle, first triangle will be, means we know that isosceles triangle will be exactly having two sides, at least two sides equal. Two sides equal means isosceles triangle. So definitely beta, when two sides will be equal and the corresponding angles will become equal, then it will be called as isosceles triangle. You know what property, one theorem is there, that is called as angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal and sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. By that beta, you have to understand one theorem is there. Based on that theorem, anti two sides are equal, two angles are equal. Absolutely correct. Krisha, sides and angles are equal. Very good beta. Next, what is there? Shrutika, all sides, okay. Ashish, all sides are equal. All sides are equal for equilateral triangle. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now look here beta, here what we have to see, isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, exactly beta, we have to see one very important thing, that corresponding means if two sides are equal, then its corresponding angles are equal. One theorem is there, that theorem we are going to prove also. Okay. Now another type of isosceles triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. So isosceles right angle triangle. So that comes under isosceles only beta, but this is exactly called as isosceles right angle triangle. In isosceles right angle triangle beta, this base and perpendicular, that both will be equal. Okay, base and perpendicular, that both will be equal, and this angle will be 45 degree confirm and this angle will be 45 degree. Such type of triangles are called as isosceles right angle triangle. What it is called as? Isosceles right angled triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. That means what beta? That is, isosceles triangle is of two type. One is a normal triangle where two sides are equal, its corresponding angles are equal. Another one is isosceles right angle triangle. That means beta, one angle will be confirmed 90 degree and beta respective two angles will be 100%, 45 and 45. We know that in angle sum, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes beta, it's exactly Ashish, it's one of a form of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so isosceles triangle can be of two type. One type is normal isosceles triangle and second one is beta isosceles right angle triangle. The second one is what? Isosceles right angle triangle. It is what called as isosceles right angle triangle. In this beta, angle will be 100% 45 degree and 45 degree. It will not be of any other angle, because 45 plus 45 is becoming 90, 90 plus 90 is coming 180 degree. So isosceles right angle triangle, definitely beta, here most important thing is base and perpendicular both are same. Base and perpendicular both are same. So sides, angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. That means this angle will be equal to this angle. Just understand this property now itself. Once you will understand this property now beta, in future it will be helping you. Okay, I am going to repeat Kanishka, 100% I am going to repeat beta. I am going to repeat. Just Kanishka, is it buffering for you only or for everyone? Now from here it is streaming perfectly, Kanishka. No sides and angles are equal is scale and triangle. Absolutely correct beta. When no sides and angles are equal, then it is called as scale and triangle. But beta, before that we will go here and we will try and understand first. So isosceles triangle is of two type. One is isosceles and second one is isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle, where both the angles will be same. So each angle will be there, this perpendicular one will be 90 degree and the remaining one will be 45 degree and 45 degree beta. That is exactly called as isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles what? Isosceles right angle triangle. Kanishka, now is it okay for you? Kanishka, is it okay for you? Now check one time beta. Now after isosceles triangle, we will go for scale and triangle. Scale and triangle. Now beta, scale and triangle means none of the sides and angles are equal. The triangles whose sides and angles are not equal are called as scale and triangle. Okay. So scale and triangle. No sides and angles are equal. No sides and angles are equal are called as scale and triangle. No sides and angles are equal are exactly called as what type of triangle beta? Scale and triangle. So scale and triangles are those triangles beta whose sides and corresponding angles, they do not match, means all are different. All are different. Like if someone will give us a scale and triangle of sides 3, 5, 4. 754. So like this sides can be there, fine. And angles will also not be same. 30, 60 and here 90 will be there. So definitely all angles are not same here. So definitely sides and angles nothing will be same. That type of triangle is called as Keelan triangle. Now after this Keelan triangle beta, after this Keelan triangle we are going to understand acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle is that type of triangle. Acute angle triangle. So what is exactly acute angle triangle? Acute angle triangle. Now but acute angle triangle is that type of triangle whose all angles measure will be less than 90 degree. All angles measure should be less than 90 degree. All angle measures should be less than 90 degree is exactly called as beta acute angle triangle. That means what beta? Look here. So here all angles measures should be less than 90 degree. So all angles is less than 90 degree. Ashish, absolutely correct here. So if this is 45 degree and this is exactly 55 degree, then how much it is coming? 550, 100. So this one will become 80 degree. So beta you see here, this type of triangle is called as acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. Good morning Naresh. Naresh, I was expecting everyone today beta. I was expecting everyone today to come in time beta. Diksha, where are you? After this bio class is there beta, and after bio class what class will be there? You know, physics. After this physics class and then bio class, 3 class back to back today we have, and my children are missing today. They are all resting today. Tuesday and Wednesday classes time will be 9 o'clock. You know that. Now beta acute angle triangle means each angle measure will be less than 90 degree will be called as acute angle triangle. Such angles will be called as acute angle triangle. Okay, good morning Jiva. Okay, I was expecting my children fast. Anti-equilateral triangle is an example of acute angle triangle. Correct only, absolutely correct. No problem Naresh. Now look here beta, understand this one. Equilateral triangle, absolutely correct Shrutika. You have some talent girl. You have understood the point very fastly. You have understood that content what I wanted to tell. So definitely beta. Now Ashwin, where is Ashwin? Good morning Ashwin. Correct only, absolutely correct Ashish. That is exactly called as beta obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle na beta, whenever you will be drawing the height na, height will always be outside the triangle. I am going to explain that part also. Very good, super beta. God bless you. Super Ashish, you are a very good student. Ashish, I asked you one question, you got hat trick or not that time? Because beta I was going to give you that rank and I am missing. All my children should get proper what you call acknowledgement. You got hat trick or not that time? You didn't told. Avinash got hat trick. Avinash got hat trick that time. He got or not? He didn't told. He didn't informed. Now only I am recalling that anyone got hat trick because 3 names came that time. Was it Avinash? Now look here beta. Acute angle triangle we have understood. Oh, Darshan is telling no. Now look here beta. So acute angle triangle are those angle triangles. So equilateral triangle is also an acute angle triangle because equilateral triangle each angle sum is less than 90 degree. Acute angle triangle each hat trick means here Ashish, hat trick means if a student is solving all the question first time means they will have to get first rank. First rank means I am giving ranks. Like if you will submit the answer first and your answer is correct, you will be getting first rank. Like this, if 3 times you will be getting first rank means hat trick. First and second and third, 3 ranks are there beta. Ashwin got hat trick. Ashwin got hat trick, but he didn't told me beta. That is what I was asking from everyone. Okay, now look here. After acute angle triangle, let's go for obtuse angle triangle. After acute angle triangle, let's go for obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. What does obtuse angle triangle means? Obtuse angle triangle means he got yesterday. Okay. Obtuse angle triangle. What does obtuse angle triangle? So now let's see how I am drawing the angle. Just see very nicely how I am drawing the triangle. See, look here. One of the angle is more than 90 degree. You see this in this triangle. Let me draw it much neatly so that you will be able to understand it nicely. So first beta obtuse angle triangle. How the obtuse angle triangle will look like? Like this triangle will be called as obtuse angle triangle. You see here beta. One of the angle measure is one of the angle measure is more than 90 degree. You see here the angle measure is more than 90 degree. So if this is coming as 110 degree, then definitely beta these two will get reduced. If this will become 30 degree, so and this will become 30 degree. 40 degree. 30 plus 40, 70 plus 180. So beta these two angles. So one angle measure is more than 90 degree. One angle measure is more than 90 degree. This type of triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. But beta one most important thing you must remember. This is the most important point which you have to remember, that in obtuse angle triangle beta height is always drawn outside. Height is drawn, the height of the triangle is always drawn outside. Like in other type of triangle na beta, when you are drawing height will come inside. Okay, so that means altitude, what you are talking about, altitude or height, that will be inside. Like equilateral triangle, when we are drawing equilateral triangle, then definitely beta in equilateral triangle, just 1 minute beta, I selected the wrong color. Now look here, in equilateral triangle when we will be drawing beta, the altitude what we are going to draw, the altitude will be beta inside. In isosceles triangle also, when we will be drawing isosceles triangle, at that time beta the altitude will be or height will be inside. Okay, in acute angle triangle also it will be inside. Scalene triangle also the height will be drawn inside only. But in obtuse angle triangle, the height is exactly this, altitude or height is exactly, altitude or height is drawn outside the triangle. Okay, so that is the most important part. Ma'am, I got hat trick in last many times. Ma'am, don't think bad. Huh? What happened beta? I will give you rank. Okay, is known as ekta, more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Okay, more than 90 degree, fine beta. So look here, more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, it is exactly one of the angle, not the three angles. Only one angle will be more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree beta. Such type of triangles will be exactly called as obtuse angle triangle. Merunisa understood? Now quickly tell me beta, till here whatever different type of triangles we have seen, you have understood or not beta? Till here whatever different type of triangles we have seen, did you understood the different type of triangles beta? Did you understood the different type of triangles here? Merunisa, very good. Now quickly say me yes. Those who have understood, now quickly start telling me yes, understood. So we have discussed about how many types of triangles beta. Let's see from where we started with. We started with equilateral triangle and then isosceles triangle. Then in isosceles we have understood isosceles triangle and isosceles right angle triangle. Very good. And then beta we have understood acute angle triangle. After acute angle triangle we talked about obtuse angle triangle. Very good. So Ashish understood, Rahul, Krisha, Sharmila, Ashwin, Ekta. Can you teach again scalene triangle? Yes, Ekta, I am going to teach one more time beta. Quickly say children, you have understood that part? Understood everyone? Okay, Ekta, no problem beta. Just let me drink water. Very good Avinash. Ekta, Vishal, everyone understood? Very good beta. Shrutika understood, Ashish understood, Krisha understood, Kanishka understood, Ekta, Avinash, Kanishka, Ashwin, everyone. Okay, Ashwin, just 1 minute beta. Let Ekta has not understood the concept beta. Merunisha understood? Meru? Merunisha has also understood. Now Lokesh understood? Naresh understood? Naresh, check the video one more time beta. Naresh, check one more time. Very good, beta. Now look, a scale triangle means what, Ekta? Ekta, scale triangle means a triangle whose none of the sides and angles are equal. None of the sides and angles are equal means, look here, in equilateral triangle, na beta, when somebody will tell you that this triangle is equilateral triangle, that means if this side is 5 centimeter, then this side will also be 5 centimeter and this side is also be 5 centimeter. Okay, that means all sides will be equal in equilateral triangle, and all angles, internal angles will become 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So such type of triangles are called as beta equilateral triangle. Fine. So when all internal angles are equal and if one side is 5 centimeter, that means all the other two sides will also become ultimately 5 centimeter. That is exactly called as beta equilateral triangle. Now in scale triangle, beta, scale triangle means that type of triangle where where none of the sides are equal. None of the sides are equal means if this is 7 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is 7.5 centimeter. That means what? All the three sides are having different values. First thing, the length of the sides are not same. Internal angles will also not be same, beta. If this is 60 degree, if this is 50 degree, then this is 70 degree. You see here, none of the angles 60, 50, 180 is coming here. So that means angles are also not same and sides are also not same. Such type of triangles are exactly called as scale triangle. Such type of triangles are exactly called as scale triangle. What such type of triangles are called as, beta? Such type of triangles are called as scale triangle. Such type of triangles are called as what? Scale triangle. Scale triangle. Now we have done this much also. Now beta, next one is right angle triangle, and one more triangle I think we have missed. One is right angle triangle. You know what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle. Beta, right angle triangle are such type of triangles where one of the angle will be 90 degree. One of the angle will come, beta, 90 degree. One of the angle will come 90 degree. It is exactly, very good. She is in which class, Darshini? She is in which class, beta? So beta, this is exactly called as 90 degree. So this is exactly right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means, beta, this part will be exactly coming as hypotenuse, this will be perpendicular and this one will become base. Okay, and none of the side you can and none of the sides are exactly equal, beta. Here sides are not equal, but one of the angle will be coming 90 degree. That you can say that it is exactly called as right angle triangle. What this will be called as? One angle is 90 degree. Absolutely, Ashish. Super, beta. Ekta, Krisha, Darshini, Darshini UKG. Fine, beta. So one of the angle is exactly coming as, beta, 90 degree. That is exactly called as scale triangle. Scale triangle or right angle triangle. You will be saying, auntie, you said scale triangle, it will be right angle triangle, auntie. Means one angle will be exactly 90 degrees. So we have understood different type of triangle: right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, scale triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. So different type of triangle, and then right angle triangle also we have seen. So now we have seen all different type of triangles. Now it's time to prove one very important thing, beta. Right angle triangle. Absolutely correct. Shrutika, everyone understood? Children, tell me fast. You've understood or not, beta? Did you understood that part? Your sister looks cute. Very good. Send me the picture, beta. Okay, so I hope everyone understood this part. Yes, understood. Sharmila understood. So beta, within 5 minutes we are going to meet again. Within 5 minutes we are going to meet again for physics class. Only 13 likes and 1 dislike. Ayo. Okay, no problem. I think one of my student has not understood what I taught. Heart touching. No problem, beta. Ashish understood na, beta? Just after 5 minutes. Again, if you will subscribe the channel, you will itself get it. So those who have, Jiva understood, everyone understood. But beta, from tomorrow our work will increase, because from tomorrow we will start first theorems, most important theorems, and then what questions CBSE is asking, what our questions are present in NCERT plus CBSE. I want you to have a balanced study, beta. Okay. Okay, Diksha is not there in the group right now, no? Okay, Just let's see. Bye beta. Bye everyone. God bless you all.